Hey everyone! I'm going to show you how easy it is to make herb-infused nut milk. Today I am infusing rosemary into almond milk, and I'll be using this in the strawberry rosemary mini loaves I'm making later today. What you'll do is add your nut milk to a saucepan and add in the rosemary. Put it on the stove and bring to a boil, and then simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can turn off the heat and cover it and just let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. After it's seeped in for a bit, grab a strainer and place it over a bowl, then pour the nut milk into the strainer. Then you can put the nut milk in a container and store that in the refrigerator until it's needed. That's it! It is so easy to make herb-infused nut milk. Feel free to change up the herbs or the nut milk base based on what you have available or what your preferences are. I am using this in a couple of recipes I'm making later, so I will link to those so you can give them a try if you're interested. So easy to incorporate into your recipes, and it adds a ton of flavor, and they are delicious. Give it a try. I hope you do. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them for me. I'd be happy to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.